Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of folding bicycles and exploring the 7 best options out there. Whether you are a city dweller in need of a convenient commuting solution or an adventure seeker looking for a portable ride, we have got you covered. In this video, we will review each of these fantastic folding bikes, discussing their design, quality, usability, durability, features, effectiveness, and specifications. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of which folding bicycle suits your needs best. So, let's jump right into it. Our first contender is the Zizzo Campo 20-inch folding bike with 7-speed gearing. This folding bike offers a sleek and compact design, making it perfect for urban commuters. The frame is constructed with high-quality aluminum alloy, providing both sturdiness and lightweight portability. Its easy folding mechanism allows you to collapse it in seconds, making it ideal for public transportation or storage. In terms of usability, the Zizzo Campo offers a comfortable and adjustable riding experience. The 7-speed Shimano drivetrain ensures you can conquer various terrains with ease. It's a versatile choice for both casual riders and those looking for a more challenging ride. When it comes to durability, this bike stands the test of time. The robust build quality ensures it can withstand daily wear and tear. The inclusion of premium components guarantees a reliable performance ride after ride. Notable features include a comfortable saddle, responsive brakes, and efficient gear shifting. It's worth noting that the Zizzo Campo 20-inch wheels strike a balance between stability and agility. Additionally, its specifications include a maximum weight capacity of 240 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of riders. Moving on to the next, number 2 with Outroad 26-inch folding mountain bike with 21-speed gearing might be your perfect match. This folding mountain bike is designed for off-road exploration while maintaining the convenience of foldability. The bike boasts a robust frame constructed from high tensile steel, ensuring durability in rough terrains. Its 21-speed Shimano drivetrain allows for seamless gear shifting, adapting to various slopes and landscapes. Despite its sturdy build, the Outroad offers an excellent usability experience. The front and rear suspension provides a smooth ride even on bumpy trails. The 26-inch wheels offer enhanced stability and traction, making it suitable for rugged adventures. Durability is a strong suit for this folding mountain bike. The components are built to withstand the harshest conditions, ensuring your bike remains in top-notch condition. Key features include responsive disc brakes, ergonomic handlebars, and a comfortable saddle. With a maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds, the Outroad can accommodate riders of various sizes. Coming in at number 3 is the Schwinn Loop 20-inch adult folding bike with 7-speed gearing. This folding bike is designed for those seeking a combination of style and convenience in their urban commute. Schwinn is a reputable brand known for its quality, and the Loop lives up to that reputation. Its lightweight aluminum frame ensures easy portability, and the bike folds neatly for storage. Usability is a highlight with the Schwinn Loop. The 7-speed Shimano drivetrain provides versatile riding options, while the bike's compact design makes it a breeze to maneuver through crowded streets. Durability is another key feature. The Schwinn Loop is built to last thanks to its sturdy construction and top-notch components. This folding bike can handle the demands of daily commuting with ease. The Schwinn Loop comes with practical features like a rear cargo rack, fenders to keep you clean on wet days, and a comfortable saddle. With a maximum weight capacity of 230 pounds, it's suitable for most adult riders. Our fourth folding bike on the list is the Swagtron Swagcycle EB5 folding electric bike, a game changer for those looking to add some electric assistance to their rides. This folding electric bike offers a sleek and compact design with an emphasis on portability. It folds down effortlessly, making it perfect for commuters who want an extra boost on their journeys. Usability is where the Swagcycle shines. It features a 250-watt electric motor that provides a quick and smooth ride with a top speed of 15.5 mph. You can choose between paddle-only, electric-only, or a combination of both modes. The EB5 can cover up to 15.5 miles on a single charge, making it an excellent choice for urban commutes. Durability is also a strong suit. The Swagtron Swagcycle is built with quality materials and can handle the rises of daily use. It's designed to last, providing reliable electric assistance whenever you need it. Notable features include a digital display, adjustable seat and handlebars, and a convenient carrying handle. With a maximum weight capacity of 264 pounds, it accommodates a wide range of riders. Number 5 on our list is the Xspec 20-inch 7-speed folding commuter bike. This sleek and versatile folding bike is designed to make your daily commute a breeze. With its compact design, you can easily fold it up and take it on public transportation or store it in a tight space. The Xspec commuter bike boasts exceptional build quality and durability. Its frame is made from high-quality materials that ensure long-lasting performance. The 7-speed gear system allows you to tackle various terrains with ease, providing a smooth and efficient riding experience. Usability is a strong suit of this bike. It comes with ergonomic handlebars and a comfortable saddle, making your daily rides comfortable and enjoyable. The folding mechanism is simple and quick, allowing you to fold or unfold the bike in a matter of seconds. In terms of features, the Xspec commuter bike includes a convenient rear rack for carrying your essentials, and it's equipped with reliable brakes for your safety. This bike is effective at getting you from point A to point B efficiently, whether it's for work or leisure. Number 6 on our list is the Max 4-Out 26-inch folding mountain bike, featuring a 21-speed gear system for those who love tackling challenging terrains. This folding mountain bike is designed for adventure seekers who crave the thrill of off-road cycling. The design of the Max 4-Out folding mountain bike is rugged and built to withstand rough trails. Its frame is robust and offers excellent stability even on uneven surfaces. The 21-speed gear system provides an impressive range of options, allowing you to conquer steep hills and navigate through various landscapes effortlessly. Quality is not compromised with this bike. It's constructed with high-quality materials that ensures durability and reliability. The usability factor is enhanced by its comfortable seating and easy-to-use controls, making it suitable for riders of all skill levels. The Max 4-Out mountain bike comes with features like front and rear suspension for a smoother ride and responsive brakes for added safety. Its effectiveness on rough terrains is commendable, making it a fantastic choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the Outroad 26-inch folding mountain bike with a 21-speed gear system. This folding bike is another excellent option for those who crave adventure and want to explore the great outdoors. The design of the Outroad mountain bike is stylish and sturdy, built to handle the toughest trails. Its frame is made to endure the rises of off-road riding, providing stability and control. The 21-speed gearing gives you the flexibility to conquer any terrain with ease. Quality is a top priority with this bike. It's built to last with high-quality components that ensures longevity. Usability is enhanced by its comfortable seat and user-friendly features, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced riders. This mountain bike offers features like front suspension for a comfortable ride and reliable brakes for safety. Its effectiveness on challenging terrains is impressive, making it a top contender for outdoor adventures. Thank you for tuning in to our video on the 7 best folding bicycles. We hope you found this guide helpful in your quest to find the perfect folding bike for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and cycling tips. And remember, your feedback matters, so feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy cycling, and we'll see you in the next video.